teachers and friends, my name is Danielle and I'm going to narrate part of Group 2 Chemistry presentation. Our group consists of me, Fiona, Yixuan and Adam. So the experiment is about using paper chromatography to find the similarities and differences between the food coloring used in M&Ms and Skittles, and to find out what paper chromatography is about and how to carry out paper chromatography. And the experiment procedure is to find out what is chromatography, and gather materials required for the chromatography experiment, then set up the experiment apparatus, and lastly carry out the experiment.
Hi, I am Fiona and I will be taking over for the next 3 slides. I will now explain what is chromatography. Chromatography is the method of separating 2 or more components that dissolve in the same solvent. Example of what chromatography is used on is pigments in plants, dyes in paint, and coloring in food. Next, I will talk about how chromatography is carried out. The diagram below shows how it is carried out, and I will further explain in the next slide. Firstly, place a spot of food coloring on the pencil line, and then dip the paper into a solvent such as water and ensure that the colored spot is above the solvent level. Lastly, the components will separate if it is not pure as the solvent travels up the paper.
Hi everybody, my name is Adam and I will be taking over for the next 3 slides. This is an interpretation of a chromatogram on 2 different strips of filter paper. The color on the left on the filter paper is not pure. This can be seen because based on the filter paper, there is more than 2 colors that make up the orange color on the filter paper on the left, meaning that it is a mixture and isn't pure. The color on the right, however, is pure because there isn't any other color on the filter paper, therefore it is pure. The materials required for this experiment to be carried out are M&Ms and Skittles, filter paper, cups, satay sticks or any other type of sticks, labels, and the required stationery such as scissors, pencils, etc. This is the process of the experiment before. This is the process of extracting the food coloring to be tested for chromatography. These are all the food colorings that have been extracted and the experiment shall be carried out.
Hi, I'm Ishan and I'll be narrating the next 3 slides. After the experiment has been carried out, it's shown that the food colorings have traveled up. Lastly, this page shows the results of the experiment and it shows that the food colorings are pure. The conclusion shows that both M&M and Skittles are only made up of one color, which means that they are pure. As there are no different colors after carrying out the chromatography on each of the M&Ms and Skittles, we can conclude that the red and orange food colorings used in the chocolates and sweets are pure and made of only one color. Thank you for your attention.